What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering a brand new position here at Redfin. They're currently hiring. They actually have quite a bit of positions here on their careers page, but one remote or hybrid remote position that they have here today is a position where you can make up to $110,000 per year. Salary range or base pay range is anywhere from $73,000 to $110,000 per year. And you also do get a ton of benefits here, like 15 days paid vacation, 12 paid holidays, paid parental leave, sick leave, flexible days as well, and a ton of other benefits that I'll go through in this video. So if you are interested in a remote or a hybrid remote position, be sure to stick around to the very end while I cover this position at Redfin. Also, just before I go into that, I want to remind you guys of some other positions that I covered before, which are on the work from home channel. And actually, if you haven't already done so, be sure to go over to my second channel, which is this channel right here, the work from home channel. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I could find online. So you look at some of my previous videos or some of my recent videos, you'll find some really good high paying job positions here. So for example, Uptum was hiring, paying around $1,200 per week for a fully remote work from home job. Also, there were data entry positions here paying around $20 per hour, which is kind of unheard of. Most data entry jobs that you'll find online that you can do remotely are going to be paying you $11 or $12 per hour. But I've been able to find data entry jobs paying upwards of $20 and $25 per hour. I'm not always able to find them, but from time to time I do, and this is where I post them. Also, Morning Brew was hiring, paying around $1,500 per week, and there were other high paying positions here as well. So it doesn't really matter whether you're looking for a full-time remote work from home job position or a part-time position, something flexible, something overnight. You'll find a lot of really good high paying job leads here. So be sure to go over and subscribe. Also be sure to tap the notification bell right here. This way you never miss out on the updates of when I post new videos on this channel. And again, this is where I'm posting the job leads for the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I could find online. Now in today's video, we're going to be covering this position here at Redfin, and this is for a data analyst level 2 hybrid position. You have to be in either Seattle or Atlanta for this position, and the reason for that is a hybrid role requiring about 2 days per week in office. So depending on which one of these locations, you can do 2 days in the office, and for the remainder of the week you'll be working from home remotely. So in this role, this is what you'll be doing. So you'll work on a small team conducting analysis and building robust analytical reporting for their business leaders to plan both for the long and short term. Also contribute as a member of the team focused on traffic and conversion performance. Analyze this area's engineering features in topics such as search engine optimization, notifications, recommendations, traffic, and site conversion. Also partner with product management and engineering teams to answer tough questions that inform the business and drive strategic data-driven decision making. Also use your technical and business expertise to make their products more analytical and their analytics more valuable. Now for this position, they're looking for someone that has 2+ years of experience working in an analytical role in a business context. Also experience in web analytics, especially involving site conversions and A/B testing is required. Advanced SQL and Excel skills, experience using data visualization or BI software like Power BI is required. Ability to design analyses and experiments that produce actionable results quickly. Strong consultative and influencing skills to help leaders make decisions and move the business forward. Possessing rather a curiosity that doesn't stop at what, but as they say here, hungers for why and what if. Bachelor's degree in math, statistics, operations, research, economics, business analytics, and experimental science or equivalent experience. So kind of a bunch of options here to get into this job. And they're offering salary range base pay of $73,000 to $110,000 per year. Also, you get 15 days paid vacation, 12 paid holidays, paid parental leave, sick leave, flexible days, medical, dental, and vision insurance, flexible spending account, health savings account, life and disability insurance, 401k with employer match, and some really other good benefits. So really good opportunity here for anyone that resides in Atlanta or Seattle or close to, where you can actually travel to those locations for 2 days per week. This is really a good opportunity at Redfin. And if you guys don't know, Redfin is this website or this resource that you can use online to find homes for sale or for rent, or to track the market when it comes on to real estate. So that's what they're in the business of, kind of like Zillow. If you know what Zillow is, then you should know what Redfin is. So again, really good job opportunity here that you guys can apply to, and I'll leave the link down below. If you're looking for another type of job, probably something that is fully remote where you don't have to be hybrid or doesn't require you to go into the office, you can check out the work from home channel. Actually just posted another brand new job lead there at the Home Depot. They're currently hiring for a fully remote position, so you may be interested in that, so you could go over and check that job lead out as well. That's also another brand new job lead. Now before you guys go, just want to quickly remind you of the pro resume templates right here, professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. So 3 custom resume templates here with instructions, matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You can customize these using Google Docs, which is free, so you don't need to pay for any software, and it's really flexible, so you can edit or customize these on your MacBook, your laptop, or PC, or your smartphone. Doesn't really matter. You can do this on any device that has the internet and that has a browser and allows you to type, whether by typing on the screen or you have a keyboard. You can edit or customize these templates on that device. Also, these templates are ATS optimized, and also the instructions included here, you can use them to create your own custom template or resume from scratch. Just in case you don't like any of the templates in here, then you can recreate or you can create something from scratch with the instructions. So really good resource here. Link is down below or in a pinned comment. So for those of you guys who are struggling with your resume or struggling with landing interviews, this is going to be a really helpful resource. So with all that covered, this was the job lead for today, a hybrid remote role at Redfin, data analyst level 2, but you have to be in Seattle or Atlanta or close to those locations for this to work. So with all that covered, all the best in finding that dream remote work from home and job that you guys are looking for, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.